All right, just a quick and dirty video about the Arbortec Breathflex Pro pants, the new ones. Not the new ones, they got some new colors out, like earth tone colors. So this is from the last new ones. It was like version 2. I just opened the box today. This is my first time ever put them on. Actually, I tried them on at Universal Field Supplies in Vancouver, and I didn't like the fluorescent green color, so I ordered charcoal. This is the medium length, like the 31 inch inseam and a size large waist, which fits me perfectly, and I'm normally a 34 in all my pants and khakis and jeans and whatever. I'm a 34. And these are like bang on perfect fit. They look amazing, they feel sick, they're super good range of motion in the middle. They got clips. I'll throw my boots on. All right, so this is actually my second pair of protective chainsaw pants I've ever owned in my life, and they are like a huge upgrade from the other ones I had, which were like Logger Kings, you know. So I might as well shoot a little video of me using them. I have some awkward cherry pieces to cut right now, which is when you want to be wearing your chainsaw protective pants. Good range of motion. For hot days there. Anyway, I'll do another review of these in like 6 months and see how they hold up.